Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a working canvas with perspective in mind. Set a large resolution and draw a clear horizon and 1 or 2 vanishing points. Use the pencil tool to block in basic shapes at low opacity so you can adjust proportions easily. Once you have the framework, refine with the line and curve tools to lock angles. This prevents distortion when you add depth later. Make sure to save incremental files as you go to avoid losing stages. Now you model depth by committing to one light direction. Decide where highlights and shadows fall. Use the fill tool and careful manual strokes to build gradients, blending with repeated low-opacity passes rather than one heavy color. Add midtones and a subtle reflected light on shadow edges to suggest form. Once done, sharpen edges selectively with the pencil or eraser to preserve silhouette. This contrast reads as depth even in simplified MS. Finish by refining edges and simulating anti-aliasing. Add intermediary color pixels along hard edges and then slightly blur with repeated manual strokes to soften jaggeds. Emulate dodge and burn by layering lighter and darker strokes where needed to enhance volume. Once satisfied, crop and export as PNG to preserve quality. Also save working versions as sequential files so you can revert. If something looks wrong, check perspective alignment and shadow consistency first. Those 2 fixes solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.